Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with another layout for scrap timber. So today's prompt is grid layout. This is scrap timber that is hosted by the Scrappy Sisters. They do this every year. I think this is my third year playing along, and there is a Facebook group. I also posted this graphic over on my Facebook group, so you can go get it there if you're interested in being able to print out a copy. And I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style, so I am still using the Adore Me collection by Close to My Heart. And so we're just going to get to it. I did pull a lot of baby items from a different kit. Like I told y'all at the beginning of the month, I knew it was going to be hard. Hey Pip, you gotta get down. To use this because it's going to be a lot of girl stuff because the papers are all the same. I have a lot of the same sheet, and this is the collection Brooke picked for me. So I'm going to try to kill it this month. I have my papers here. I already cut. I think I made them 3.5 by 3.5. So this is what I'm going to use. In the end, I have my photos, which they have to be covered up because these are whenever my third grandbaby Vivian was born from my son Tyler and his girlfriend. And this is going to be a very simple grid layout. So let's work on gluing this down. I think I am also going to sew on here. I don't know yet, but I'm kind of leaning towards it. I've actually really been enjoying sewing this month on my layouts. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I have all of my squares and my photos glued down. I think I'm going to take the time now to go ahead and just run it through the sewing machine, and then I will come back and add the rest of the embellishment. Alright, I'm back. I've run it through the sewing machine. I just went in between every one and around the edges. So let's finish adding the rest of the embellishments here. I have this little title I think I'm going to use as my, or this word I'm going to use as my title. I'm going to add foam. Let's see. I think I'm going to put it here. And I have these little shoes. I've had all this little stuff from a page kit for quite some time, so it's beyond time to use it up. Woo! This is a really easy layout. It comes together super quick. I think I'm just going to put this bottle here. And then I have some flowers. And here's this one. And then I will do some journaling there, and that will pretty much be the layout. I'm sorry that you can't see how cute she is with all her little red hair to match her Nana, but she can't be shown on social media. So I hope that you guys will go and check out everyone playing along with scrap timber, that you will go and check out everyone playing along with how to kill a kit with style. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and that it inspired you. And until next time, bye y'all.